Hi guys, let me show you how you can clean up hard drive space in Windows 11. Now, in Windows 11, they make it really easy to do this. All that you have to do is to right-click into the Start button right here, go into Settings. Inside of here, you want to go into Storage. It's going to calculate how much space you have used and how much space you have free. And it's going to show you right here in what do you have it. In videos, pictures, apps and features, temporary files, and anything else. Now, Windows 11 includes this option right here that says Storage Sense, that is going to automatically free up space and delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. Now, I don't know, you guys, you can try it out, but I don't really trust this to manage my data, especially if I have some important files, videos, or pictures on it. So I prefer to make it manually, and this is what I'm going to show you today. Now, you want to click right here where you see the temporary files. On this new tab, you're going to see everything that is temporal files that you can delete from your system and how much space you can free up. Now, you can also include your downloads folder, but if you aren't sure, I would recommend you guys to do that manually. But everything else you can select: Windows Update Cleanup, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, Defender antivirus, temporary internet files, and everything else that is right here. Now, only this, without the downloads, for me it's going to clean 4 GB of space. You want to click into Remove Files and click into Continue. Depending on how many files and the size of the data that is going to get deleted, this is going to take longer or a little bit less time. You only have to wait until this is done. When that is done, you can do another thing to free up more space. You can go right here into the left where you see the Apps tab, click on it, and into Apps and Features. Open it, and now right here you can check any application or programs that you have in your system that you don't really use or you don't really need to have right here. And when you find the applications that you don't really need, you want to click into these 3 dots right here and click into Uninstall. Now this application is going to get deleted and you're going to have that space that the application or software was using free to use in whatever you wish. That is most of the things that you can do. Of course, you can delete files from your downloads folder, pictures, anything else, but I always recommend, guys, to make a backup of all of your data before trying to delete them. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy the content and you find it useful, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is always welcome into this channel. See you on the next time. Bye bye.